Everything you touch, eat, even your own body, is built from one remarkable element, carbon. From the DNA that codes your existence to the fuel in our cars, carbon is the foundation. But why this one element? The secret is something called tetravalency. It means carbon can form 4 strong bonds at once. This isn't just a number, it's a superpower. It allows carbon atoms to link up into immensely long chains, form intricate branches, and even loop back to create rings. They can form single, double, or triple bonds. This versatility is why there are more known carbon compounds than all other compounds combined. So how do chemists map out these billions of molecules? They have a special shorthand. The most common is the skeletal formula, a simple zigzag line where every corner and every endpoint is a carbon atom with hydrogens implied. And to name them, we use a system of prefixes. 1 carbon is meth, so we get methane. 2 is F, giving us ethane. 3 is prop, for propane. It's a logical code for a molecular universe. These carbon chains fall into families. The simplest are the alkanes, which are saturated. Think of them as being completely full of hydrogen atoms, with only single bonds between carbons. But when you introduce a double or triple bond, the molecule becomes unsaturated. These multiple bonds are hotspots of chemical reactivity, the places where the action happens. Most of these molecular building blocks come from crude oil. In a refinery, a process called fractional distillation sorts this complex mixture. It's a giant sorting tower based on boiling point. The shortest, lightest molecules rise to the top to become things like petrol. The long, heavy chains stay at the bottom, becoming fuel oil or bitumen for roads. So, from a single atom's ability to form 4 bonds, we get the entire logic of life. Understanding how to name and categorize these carbon chains is the first step. You've just learned the foundational grammar of the language that writes the world.